Hello everyone, I'm Idan Soen from Fortinet, and in this presentation I will provide a quick introduction to the Fortinet solutions that support customers' cloud journey and the different products that address the various security challenges for customers migrating applications to the cloud. When we talk about the cloud, we're talking about hybrid, distributed environments where most customers are using all three environment types: private cloud, public cloud, and SaaS environments. Addressing the security challenges in these environments fall on the three security layers. The first one is the network layer. This layer is about providing secure access to your cloud environments. This is our virtual machines that provide the cloud on-ramp connectivity while securing connectivity to, from, and within the cloud environments using the Fortinet next-generation firewall services such as VPN, SSL inspection, IPS, antivirus, and so on. The second layer is the platform layer. This layer secures the workloads themselves by providing configuration security posture, evaluating configuration for best practices, regulatory compliance reporting, and analyzing traffic across cloud resources to identify anomalous behavior. This also includes security container lifecycle and Kubernetes security. Last, this layer also secures the data and threat protection, provides threat protection for SaaS applications, making sure it's safe, monitored, and used only by people meant to. The last layer is the application layer. We talk a lot about securing the network and the configuration of workloads, but securing the application layer itself against exploits through email and the web application layer is critical, as these types of attacks can have a devastating impact on organizations via data breaches. The main challenges here is to provide that security in an ever-dynamic environment with applications that continuously change, sometimes a few times a week or even daily. So let's look at these three layers, starting with the cloud network layer. Network and edge security, whether deployed in public or private cloud, are the fundamentals, enabling secure access using VPN into your cloud environment and providing the required security functionality such as network segmentation and application protection using the Fortinet FortiGate VMs. The FortiGate VM solutions offer the broadest cloud and hypervisor coverage and offer various consumption options: pay-as-you-go and BYOL for public cloud, and term-based subscription, consumption-based subscription, or perpetual licenses for private cloud. Our virtual solutions provide native integration with cloud providers such as Azure vWAN, AWS Transit Gateway, and Google Network Connectivity Center, together with our Fabric connectors enabling to synchronize security with dynamic operational changes. Finally, FortiGate VM provides unmatched performance utilizing our virtual SPUs to boost network security and VPN connectivity by utilizing technologies like DPTK, Intel Quick Assist, SRIOV, PCI Pass-Through, and others. Just as an example, FortiGate VM can scale up to 20 gig of VPN throughput, unique in the industry and a great use case for us. Let's move on to cloud platform layer. The challenges here for customers are around securing the configuration of their cloud environments and workloads, identifying vulnerabilities, and gaining visibility and data protection within those environments. FortiCWP provides cloud security posture management, which includes configuration best practices for workloads, compliance reporting, asset management, and provides deep visibility into how and who is accessing every workload. FortiCWP also provides container lifecycle security, starting with integration into the CI/CD pipeline process to identify vulnerabilities in images, and failing the image build and deployment process if vulnerabilities are found. It also secures Kubernetes environments by verifying their configuration is adhering to known standards such as the CIS benchmark. Last, Fortinet FortiCASB is our SaaS-based cloud access security broker solution providing data leak prevention, malware protection, visibility control, and compliance in SaaS applications such as Salesforce, GitHub, Ignite, and the various Drive applications such as Dropbox, Box, O365, and so on. Moving on to the last layer, the cloud application layer, which requires deep understanding of how applications are being used versus how they can be exploited. The main threat here is the web application attack surface and the email attack surface. For web applications, there are various threats such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, cookie poisoning, and others as defined by the OS Top 10. The FortiWeb Web Application Firewall addresses the entire spectrum of attacks together with API protection and bot mitigation with a one-of-a-kind machine learning technology that protects against zero-day attacks while continuously adapting to application changes. This is a huge challenge as applications are increasingly becoming more dynamic in today's digital era. The inability to adapt to these changes triggers false positives and forces heavy operational investment from organizations, something not necessary with the FortiWare product line, therefore, which, by the way, can be consumed as an appliance, virtual machine, or as a cloud-native SaaS-based solution. When it comes to applications, the ability to provide consistent, fast, and reliable connectivity is critical. Fortinet FortiADC application delivery controllers enhance the scalability, performance, and security for applications, whether they are hosted on-prem or in the cloud, with advanced SSL security and visibility tools, and it's deeply integrated into the security fabric, providing various automation capabilities based on application events. While we're discussing application delivery, I also want to mention FortiGSLB Cloud, a DNS-based service from Fortinet that helps ensure business continuity by keeping an application online and available when a local area experiences unexpected traffic spikes or network downtime. FortiGSLB enables organizations to deploy redundant resources around the globe to maintain the availability of mission-critical applications. For example, FortiGSLB can provide SD-WAN link optimization by routing requests to the healthiest and best performing links. The final piece in the puzzle is email security, which remains one of the top threat vectors to organizations. While email is a mission-critical communications channel, still 90% of malware is distributed through that email communication. The Fortinet FortiMail solution continuously receives one of the highest efficacy scores by third-party testers. It offers multi-layer protection against the full spectrum of email-borne threats and provides flexible deployment options, including Office 365. It can be consumed via hardware, VM, and as a SaaS solution. To summarize, customers' cloud journey requires addressing various security challenges across the network, platform, and application layers. Each of these layers introduce an attack surface, and here at Fortinet, we believe we have the right products to help customers protect against security threats across the different layers and help them with their digital transformation journey. This completes our session today. Thank you for joining, and I hope to see you soon.